All right, hello, hello. Here we are again in the empty cup tea space. Today we have a very special task. It's Mia's absolute favorite thing.
Oh no, cleaning day.
It's cleaning day, yep. There's a whole lot of dust and dirt on the ground that we really just need to sweep up even before we can start doing more stuff here. Unfortunately, we had some brooms here that they gave us, but they're a little broken. This one's totally broken.
Doesn't work.
And then this one's more for like a witch, I think, than really for us.
For magic.
Yeah, it's the street sweeper broom. Ooh, okay, but one good thing about today is the stores have all opened up after Spring Festival because it's the day 4, day 5?
God of Wealth birthday.
Ah, that's why. Everyone's outside, they're shopping, they're doing a lot of cool stuff. They closed down the road. And so we're gonna go out there, we're gonna look for some equipment we need to clean, and we're gonna show you what it looks outside of our studio during kind of this festive time.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, so here's our little alley, just about 1 arm's length. Yep, not so big. Hey, 你好，你好，阿姨。新春快乐，对。Hey, this is very pretty. Here's a chilan. It's like fish scales, dragon head, horse hooves. It flies, breathes fire. Cool mythical animal. Then down here, it's a nice little old grindstone, it looks like. And this is how we know we need to turn right. And right down this alley, just about 2 or 3 doors down, that's our studio. And then just around this corner, here's the main road. Guoqinglu. Okay, so this is the Guoqinglu right on the main road of Yangzhou. It's just after Spring Festival, like that 4th or 5th day. Everyone's out. They just spent a lot of time with their family. And yeah, we're gonna go see if we can find that broom we're looking for. Oh, probably down here.
And I find a very interesting clothes shop in this alley. Come. There is still a Christmas tree outside the door. The style is very interesting. More like a studio, not a real big clothes shop.
Looks like this is just the knife street. So many knives. Not a lot of brooms. I'm not seeing any brooms. All right, we found it. This is the Chinese dollar store. Everything inside it should be 2 yuan, which is less than $1. It's like 50 cents. Hopefully we can find a broom in here. This is one of the most magical shops I found in the city where it's just like everything's super cheap. Maybe we could even buy some heat lamps. Here we go. The broom we need. Perfect. Hey guys, got all the stuff we needed, but I'm a little hungry. Skip lunch, so we went to this Xinjiang barbecue place. They got some lamb skewers. We're gonna get a nice roast with some cumin. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so we got a roasted meat balsa. Inside this bread, we got some really nice tasty lamb. So good.
Is it yummy?
Oh, I can see them dripping in oil there. It looks so good. Oh, baby, you gotta try it. It's too dirty.
Too dirty.
What color is it? Should it be white?
It's gray.
It looks pink. Ugh. All right, I think this is dead.
Oh my god.
All right, the water's boiling. Looks like it's time for me to drink some tea and get cleaning. So it starts. All right, guys, we cleaned up the main entrance space, and I'm just gonna sweep all this dust off the floor. This is even before we're doing any kind of reconstruction. We just wanna be able to sit here and hang out here while we're doing the construction. So first thing I'll do is get all this random stuff off the ground. I'm really curious about this witch broom. I kinda wanna try it out. Oh, it's good for big debris, not good for the fine dust. Why is there so much ash? Yes, I found the knife. Switchblade. All right, finally got it cleaned up in here. Enough to just sit in here, drink tea in here, not be breathing dust and dirt. Now we can sit here and really think about how we want to design this space for the future. All right, so thanks for watching and keep following to see what happens with this Empty Cup studio. Till next time, guys. Peace.